Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to convert your video to audio only using a built-in iPhone tool. So first of all, you need to open this Shortcuts application on your iPhone. Now we have to press this blue cross in the top right corner, just like that. Now let's tap here and rename our shortcut. I'll name it video to audio. I press done after that. What we have to do now, we have to press on the I button at the middle bottom of your screen, which means information. We tap on it. And now we need to switch the show in share sheet, just like that. Then we tap on done. And now in the top of your screen, you can see that you're going to receive some images. We need to tap on it. And now we have to tap on clear everything and choose only what we will need to convert. In our case, it's going to be media. After that, we tap on done. And that was our first action. Now we need to add another action by tapping add action. Here in the search bar, we search for encode media. You can see it's in the first in our search bar. So we tap on it, we add our second action, and now we need to add the last action by tapping on search for apps and actions at the bottom of your screen. And here we have to search for save file option and tap on it. And now we added the last action. Also, in the encode action, you press on this right arrow and switch to the audio only. After that, we press done. We can close it, go to our Photos app, and find the video we want to convert. I'm going to convert this video. So for that, we have to press the share button at the left bottom of your screen, just like that. And now scroll down until you find the name of your shortcut, which in my case was video to audio. We tap on it, and now we need to tap on open. And now we need to go to our file application on our iPhone. Here you go for on my iPhone option, you tap on it, and just like that, you find your converted audio file. Let's see if it works. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video.